delicious things out of them, and the world is finally figuring out what a fantastic cuisine it is.